let's just open the damn thing. So, cool. It's a pretty standard package envelope thing. Nice. I mean, yep, I guess that's nice. Phone box is a phone box. It's pretty simple, which is cool. I'm a fan of minimalism. I think that these boxes may be made from recycled cardboard. I think I read that somewhere. I'm not entirely sure. Anyway, let's open it. I can't wait. Sweet. So it's come with a little card. Congratulations on receiving your Braveheart Edition Pinephone. You're one of the very first to have a Pinephone. We hope you will help us in our partner projects by contributing to its development, etc., etc. Cool, nice touch. Yep. Righto, this is the phone itself. How do we get it out? Yeah. I know I have to push it, but at the same time, I kind of don't want to destroy it, hey? Sweet. I mean, this is the phone itself. It comes with a cable. Yeah, sorry, this stand is kind of moving a bit. Yep. As expected, it's a USB Type A to Type C. Doesn't come with an AC adapter, that's fine. I mean, I've got a bunch, whatever. Less e-waste. Here's the phone itself. Cool. So I mean, I was expecting it to be pretty big. It's not as big as I thought it was going to be. I knew the measurements, but for some reason I thought it'd be very unwieldy. I'm personally not a fan of big phones. It's really hard to get smaller phones these days. I don't know, whatever. Can't do much about that. Also, this is pretty much a single board computer in the form factor of a smartphone, so I don't think they really could have made it smaller if they wanted to. Yeah, it looks nice. Feels good. How does the size compare to my current phone? You're not going to see this because I'm filming with my phone. Okay, so it's pretty much the same size as my current phone with the case on. I don't know if it's the same if I took the case off my phone. Probably not, probably loses a few millimeters. That's fine. So again, for reference, I've got a Xiaomi A1, if you want to look up how big that is, or if you have one already and want to compare it. Cool. I'm going to put it in my pocket and see how bulky it is. Yep, it fits fine. I tend to wear slim jeans, so if it fits in my pockets, then it should fit in any pockets, except pockets in women's jeans, I suppose. I guess I'll try and turn it on. I mean, these Braveheart Edition phones don't really come with a fully functional OS yet, so I don't really know what to expect. I think they might have some sort of factory image. If it even turns on, maybe I need to do something first. Maybe I need to open it up. Just peel off this mask after application completed. Right. Is that where I'm meant to take it off? Yep, cool, there we go. Well, I haven't had a removable back cover in a long time. Just like my Samsung Galaxy S2, the memories. Cool, that was pretty easy. I mean, I'm always a bit tentative when I'm taking those things off. Right, this strip will be why it didn't power on. Let's see, here's the hardware switches. So unlike Librem 5, it doesn't have switches that are on the side of the case. It's still pretty easy to access these. I mean, in the event that I actually wanted to use these switches, I think it wouldn't be much trouble to take off the back of the cover, and really it wouldn't mean I'm not going to accidentally turn off anything as well if they're on the outside of the case, which I'm not saying is the case with Librem 5, who knows, I don't. So there's these little switches here. I chew my nails, so I don't have nails, so let's see how easy it is to flip them. Yeah, not easy apparently. What if I use my 6mm? Cool, so I can't really use my fingernail to flip them. I've just used the side of my 6-inch ruler. Cool. Let's take this off. I guess. Again, I like to be a bit careful with this sort of thing. Did that do it? Derp. Am I meant to take this off, or is that just how it is? Did I just rip off something that I shouldn't have? Oh no, that was covering the contacts. Cool. Let's get this guy back on. Quickly, I guess this is the modem, as far as I'm aware. Nice kind of minimalistic logo there. I think these are the infused antennae, whatever. Cool. Should I take this off while I'm here? Oh, that comes a screen protector. It's not just a random plastic packaging protecting thingy bob. So I don't know if I need to plug this in or not, but there we go. Lights come on. Cool, multicolor LED. Right, so it's got a preloaded post-market OS. I guess it's probably running the Plasma mobile interface. Cool, that's a factory test image. Sweet. Anyway, I'm not really going to be able to test this today. I don't know exactly what the status is with calls on the latest versions of Post-Market OS and Ubuntu Touch. I think they have gotten them working. Like there were initially audio issues similar to Librem 5, which I believe Librem 5 is also fixed. Don't quote me on this, look it up. I wouldn't be able to really test it now. Anyway, OSs are meant to be installed by loading them onto SD cards. You can flash to the eMMC, but it's kind of a selling point is that you can just run straight off an SD card, so you can swap SD cards in and out. I don't have any spare SD cards. I'm using the one in the phone that I'm filming with at the moment, and I wouldn't be able to test the calls even if the software is all good, because it uses a standard like mini SIM slot. My current SIM is a nano SIM. I'm ordering a new one, so yeah, see how it goes. I don't know if I can do anything. Well, touchscreen. Well, I mean, the touchscreen's obviously working. Cool.
Front, left, front, left, front, left, front, left.
Okay, so apparently the front left is working. Yeah. Cool. RGB. I did. I also got purple or something. Nice. Yep, it's vibrating. I'm not really going to bother testing any more stuff. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Sorry for wasting your time. See ya.